So, hello everyone. In our previous lesson, we explored the basic building blocks of a sentence: subject, helping verb, main verb, and then object. Now, let's move one step further. Do all sentences serve the same purpose? No. Some sentences give information, some ask questions, some give instruction, some express emotion, and some express wishes. Therefore, sentences can be classified into different types. There are five major types of sentences in English grammar. Number one, assertive sentence. Number two, interrogative sentence. Number three, imperative sentence. Number four, exclamatory sentence. And number five, optative sentence. Let's understand them one by one. Number one, assertive sentence. An assertive sentence gives information or states a fact. Example, he goes to school, he plays football, she is writing a letter. Assertive sentences are of two types. Number one, affirmative sentence. Number two, negative sentence. Number one, affirmative sentence. An affirmative sentence expresses a positive statement. For example, she lives in Delhi, they play cricket. A negative sentence. If a sentence contains negative words such as not, no, never, nobody, nothing, etc., it is generally a negative sentence. For example, she does not go to Delhi. We are not playing football. Now, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is used to ask questions. If a sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark, it is called an interrogative sentence. Example, do you play cricket? Do we write a letter? Interrogative sentences are mainly of two types. Number one, yes or no interrogative. Number two, WH interrogative. This question can be answered with yes or no. For example, do you play cricket? Yes, I play cricket. Or no, I do not play cricket. These questions begin with WH family words. For example, who are you? Where are you going? Number three, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences gives a command, instruction, suggestion, or request. For example, open the door. Please help me. Number four, exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feelings or emotions. For example, what a beautiful day. How wonderful this is. Number five, optative sentence. An optative sentence expresses a wish, prayer, or blessing. For example, may God bless you. May you succeed in your life. So, today in this video, we learned the five major types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. Now we know how sentences are formed and why they are used. But one important question still remains: does it happen in the present, the past, or the future? We'll answer this question in our next lesson. Thank you.